Po, check am. Po. Tesion. Ka. Now Nigeria police own. Ka. You dey hear Aruba own. Boom. But now they change now. Nigeria police now they carry. Anyway, how na dey? Everybody welcome on top the Paddy show. Thank you. Yeah, I see you. One love. I see you too. One love. You. Yeah, thank you. Eshu. One country, one Nigeria. One together, all of us together. It's a country together. God bless you. Paddy. I be your paddy, my paddy. All of us are paddy. Thank you. I love you too. I know you love me. I love you too. All right, so now welcome. When I don't see me sit out of Okada like this, only me. Just know say the other woman. Just like me, I run my own last time, go hustle for the family. Today now her own turn to go hustle for the family. So I say make I sit down, only me on top of the whole show today and run the full package. But most importantly, how una day? Hope say una sleep very, very well. Hope say everybody just did very, very casual and beautiful. Any which way, we are here together to make sure say una day go very well. And of course, if not for night, now they see us. Any which way, una night self go very, very beautiful before na enter bed. All right. So we get one video to take start the whole level with. And with that one, after that one, we'll come back. We'll come to the remaining on top of the yarn levels. Valentine don't they reach? Oh, my brothers and sisters. Different excuse now because of Valentine. Some people seem to use BVN as your own excuse for not buying Valentine gift. Trust Lagos girls, trust Nigerian girls, they're not going to agree. They say, baby, go and break the colo. If that one not agree, if bank not agree, you take the safe for inside bank. My brother, my baby, my boo, my bae, safe inside the colo. So no excuse. Some they you say weather not good as excuse for not buying gift. Some they you say dollar don't increase as excuse. Different thing. One boy say trailer jam Okada jam trailer. The road block, so we cannot come and buy gifts. They no one here. So make yourself available. And ladies, men say no more singlets and boxers. We not want. No more singlets and boxers. We are not cultural dancers. Hello? Thank you very much. Go and try to do something else. Like Beyonce, buy Island for Bobo. Can't you do something else? Go and buy Ibadan for us. And then from there, we'll know say, yes, the love is real. All right? So thank you very much. Welcome to the Paddy show. My name, as usual, Ogbolo. We'll take our first video before we continue with the rest of the gist ready for my front right here. Make we see the first one. Sharply. See groove, in the Brazil, man. See groove. See where dog. That one now. This one now, call this one, last year, call Petra, call this one not be foreign dog. Allah. This one now be bingo. Heavy bingo. You understand? Now they dance. This one now, if thief come house now, forget. The thief just enter. Bell up you. Everybody, lie down. They can't play music. Beep, 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 beep. They can't say the dog, they dance. My brother, forget. You don't lose your dog. They don't play music for the dog. Paka, you go see dog, they do. Oh. Like that video. You've lost everything in the house. So please identify which one be pet and which one be guard dog for your own good and for the good of the family. But this one, the other side of this gist be say, at the end of the day, life too short. Enjoy yourself. If the dog feed the dance to music, who are you not to enjoy the music? If ordinary in kita, bingo, they dance to music. Who are you? So feel free, love yourself, be happy, go outside there, love other people, just the same way you want me to take love you, go outside. Not be more say you must get millions before you're happy, because some get the millions, they're not happy. All right? So, with those few short words of mine, we will continue with Yarn the Yarn. Poker. Oga Titus, Oga Titus, Okay, now my first gist for the day. See love, this is what they call love. Sometimes it is very, very important. Say, as they profess love, they give person. Say, man, Julie, I love you. Die. Oh, my Julie, when I see you, you shouldn't have got popcorn. You shouldn't have got popcorn. They make pop, 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 pop. When I see you, my heart jump come off my body. They run for ground. When I see you, the only cockroach in my body. As they profess love, make sure, say, the other person, where that one said they answer you, make sure say that one said love you back. Because when you say we are in love, we are 2 or 3 or 4. But when you say, I am in love with somebody, now only you know the second person. So be very, very careful. Say, the same way where you feel about the other person say feel the same thing about you. Valentine. Some people, now only they did the relationship, but they did there with somebody else, but only they still inside the relationship. So be careful to find out. Because this is just today for my front now. Very terrible. Terrible gist. It pained me, reach my mitochondria. He rubbed against my mitochondria. It pained me. He shake my mitochondria. He wash them. He hang them. He carry my mitochondria back. He put aside the body. He can't continue to pain me. Because this woman, Christiana Carter Villa, for her mind, she did happily married for the past 20 years. 20 years, not be 2 years, not be 12 years, 20, not be 2 decades. 2 decades. Christiana Carter Villa. She said she and her husband, senior her like 30 years. Now the man takes senior her. She said, but when they meet, now love at first sight. Even with the age difference, he said, wow, as they all jam themselves, boom, love just catch them, bim. That's a small angel where they carry arrow, where they call Cupid. He just fire arrow for their chest. Pwah! Now love catch them, bro. My brother, my sister, 20 years later, the man now 90 years old, the woman now 59 years old. Last, as I speak to you like this now, men and brethren, the woman called father and say, the man don't divorce her. Since 4 months after their wedding. 4 months after they marry, the man go secretly divorce the woman without the woman knowledge. He go another place, go file for divorce papers. File for divorce. As they reach for the, he can go hire some other people to become the lawyer for the woman. So they can sign, do everything. So without the woman knowledge, the man don't divorce her. But they sit together for the same house. The woman don't know. But for the man mind, now for your own, now you do. So all this while, the woman still tell the man, I love you, my baby. Oh, I love you, I love you, I love you. Meanwhile, the same man don't divorce him 20 years ago. Just 4 months after their wedding. This is evil. Evil wickedness. How she take no? She says, they just buy one small, they say, now they say, okay, now go pay tax for this whole thing, one thing. She knows her name supposed to be for one of the documents. Now she looks, say, my name not there for documents. Oh boy, how far? When do, then she can go bring one lawyer. Lawyer, please come. Help me find out for this whole level. The lawyer can't go do findings. Can't find out, say, your husband don't already do some arranging. 20 years ago, 20 years, not be a joke. 20 years secret. We're not in the same house. But I don't divorce. But for the woman mind, we are still together. For the man mind, we don't free ourselves. But I go see the chop things now. They go see the No, uncle. If I talk say you don't go, you just want to go find woman wig, you just wait. Because to keep one person for house, can't go divorce and for back. You can't they do everything. It's wickedness. I go to love you for the whole no. This wickedness. I mean, but how now see how? They wanna let me know on top Twitter at Wazobia Paddy. At Wazobia Paddy. Let me know how I feel about this particular matter. Me will be man self. The man matter even touch me. Say this 20 years. Come on, what's wrong to you? Not 2 weeks, not 2 days, not 12 years, 20 years. I mean, they don't even born children join. Come on, if I tell, at least if I talk, say baby, this is not the work of, but 4 months after wedding. Yeah. Any which way. Now the gist be that for my first gist. All right, so we get one more video quickly. As I just finish this gist now, get one other video to follow for back. Thereafter, I will come back, give you another gist sharply. Still on the Paddy show with your boy or boss baby. Watch it. My brother and my sisters and viewers at home. Make sure that they respect the teachers. So respect the teachers. Don't be joke. Because they teach people from different walks of life, different religion, different tradition. Last, now you go see past knowledge give them. So the doctors, what will they get today? The lawyers, what will they get today? The engineers, what will they get today? The entertainers, what will they get today? The sabi people, what will they get today? Now teacher, now shall teach them something. So make they give respect to the teachers. Because this one that they watch just now, you know they leave the whole thing for reach where the guy for 15 vex. How do they slap the students? Because it is raining. Or God the verse say, that means say where the rain now? The teacher say it is raining sentence. Don't agree. So please give respect to teachers, please. It's very, very important. It is a dog. It is a dog. It is a dog. Which one be that one, sir? It is a dog. Yeah. Like comprehension. I don't know. Anyway, I was very good in primary school. No. Not primary school, now not to try. But for secondary school, I bad. Oh! And they spell big things like mosquito. Like cow. One of the above. Any which way. More go on this quick break. By the time we come back from this particular break, we'll continue on top. Yarn the yarn. No go nowhere. We they come back. Etelimeni tulita rusuni kali tunolo sintrima leno manino. Una say na only Nigeria dey forehand. Una see where you both forehand anyhow now. No be only us here they do our own. What will I do without you? You get one guy where I see. Oh, I call the pity family because he say he don't marry. He's how many children? He say no born 3. I see what they did. He say they watch TV now. Say you won't come disgrace yourself on national TV. Just because you want win money where you no go see. Yeah. Any which way, but we'll continue with the rest of the G still on the yarn matter on the party show with your boy Boss Baby. Now, my next gist now. Very creative people now fool this world. Creative people. And so I speak to every young Nigerian with the outside. The way to say, somehow, you dey creative. You know, no worry. God will bless the work of your hand. Oh, no worry. This one, this American artist, James Rice, and don't become internet sensation. Now we say the guy they make correct waves for internet. You know, people then for below you, but everywhere they look, the guy say, yeah. Person if you do this kind of artwork them, on top of this show, don't play different, videos and pictures of people then when they do different things. So not be only art come in form of using biro or pens to draw. Different people they use different things. For this side of the world, we get our own artwork them way they use carving things they carve. But for that other side, some people don't they carry and go another level. Recently, get one Nigerian boy we use pangolo and plastic bottle and some kind of things. They build something for Yabatek. You know, amazing thing for nights. They show light. This guy now, American artist James Rice. Now, this guy they use bend spoon. They use spoon. They bend them. They form different sculptures them. For this one now we will show now the picture now the bend spoon. Now take bend reach. He can't do motorcycle. Yeah. All this way they see like this, nana spoon we bend do. Can you imagine the sculpture where this guy create this kind of thing? Spoon, he bend the spoon, bend them, until he come from this kind of thing. I said before now, when they use different other materials and they build other kind of sculptures them, until he can't discover this spoon own. I say, wow, my brothers and my sisters, check out this kind of work. People, they're creative, not be joke. People are creative. So you were just there for house. See, say you get some kind of handwork. Start to do something. Start to do something. If not, they no go discover you. Not beside your house, they do and they keep. This guy now, the way they check him out from the top internet, very soon now they call him and do some kind of things. Before you know it, they will carry this all in levels. Now they go museum. But we appreciate, personally, I appreciate this amazing work of art where they watch like this. And the American artist James Rice. Now he do everything they see. So and a true spoon. The same shibi, Ngaji. Now they call her for Igbo. Ngaji. For Yoruba, na shibi. Now this guy do this one spoon. Now this guy arrange what you they see for TV. So what cannot be done? Anything is possible, my brother, my sisters. Anything is possible. If you use shibi, Ngaji, take form Okada, take form sculpture of motorcycle. I mean, what cannot be done? Be creative. Now be the most important thing. Now, finally, if let's I get one more video before we call and finish for today. One more video, make we watch am before I call the last gist. Not be really gist, but now photo. When I just for enjoy the Valentine season things. So maybe we'll see the last video before I will finish am for today. Quickly. All right. Okay, so we don't play one video before of dog with the dance anyhow. Now the second video they play now, dog with the play ball. You know they use his nose, they bounce. Amazing things where all these animals feed do. But this one are pets, not be guard dog. Na pets with this one. But amazing things where all these animals then feed do. People are doing wonderful things for the whole world. No just sit down for house, the doll yourself. I beg. Go outside there, do things. All right. So quickly, before I go play the next video now for the laugh things, make I talk about this elderly Nigerian couple them where they on a romantic date for one park. You know, no matter how old you are, you can still fall in love, you can still stay in love and continue to make love beautiful every day. We still talk of people that with their own no work. Make also talk of people that with their own they work. So now we see pictures now of elderly Nigerian couple them. We don't old, you know, but they do their whole love thing for inside park. You see them? They're on the chilling level, on the chilling spree. They all sit down, they say, wow, we are together. You see, mama, it's high in this thing. Pale, they own. They do Valentine things. My brother, my sister. If you look this one, it could be like 30 years in marriage. But they see they all right. Under the tree. Not be cinema they go. Not be beach they go. Under the mango tree. Now be this one. See love. As I speak to you now, if you know say you won't get this kind of level, stretch your hand towards the screen right now. Receive it now. This kind of love now your portion. Take it, receive it, believe it. It's your portion. Say Ami. I receive it. It's my portion. Amen. If you don't marry, you go see many years for your marriage. If you never even start self, don't worry. When you start your own, you complete time. All right. God bless everybody. We'll see you now again next week, Monday. Mona, enjoy yourself. Enjoy the Valentine season. And, of course, make sure you go outside there. Go show love to somebody outside there. Okay? Jam us on top Twitter. At Wazobia Paddy. One here on our messages. One read from Mona. All right? God bless you. See you on Monday. Sleep well. Get better day. Mwah. Now, just enjoy the video they want to just watch. Make sure sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.